everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I will prepare crispy fried onions. Crispy fried onions or Birista are deep fried golden brown onions that enhance the flavor of any dish they are added to. They can be used in biryani, pulao, soups, dal or curry. They can be used as a garnish or as a main ingredient for the dish. I have used crispy fried onions in few of my recipes and the links are mentioned in the description box. So, to learn how to prepare the versatile and flavorful Birista, let's get started. Peel the onions and remove the stem and thinly slice the onions. Take a pan or a kadai and heat the oil and add the onion slices and lower the flame. To make the onions very crisp, fry them in batches and do not crowd the kadai. Keep stirring the onions at regular intervals so that the heat is evenly distributed. The onions at the side of the kadai will brown up faster than the ones at the center, so stirring them will brown them evenly. Once the onions start turning light brown, transfer them to a paper towel. The onions will continue cooking even when removed from heat and eventually turn darker in shade. The birista becomes crispier once it dries and the oil is absorbed. Do not throw away the remaining oil. It can be used to marinate mutton or chicken or to enhance the taste of any gravy. You can keep the birista in an airtight container for up to a week or two. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.